Many politicians in Ethiopia continue to use ethnicity to manipulate and exploit the citizens. The advent of multi-party politics is characterized by the emergence of ethnic-based parties, promoting the interest of narrow factions at the expense of inclusive democracy and political pluralism. It is a pity that political conflicts in the country are synonymous with ethnicity, often manipulated by failed politicians, lacking credible agendas for their people. Leadership's failure to identify with society has provoked citizens to disengage, forcing them to pursue individual or ethno-identity interests that have become the breeding grounds for conflicts. Corruption. So, we, the silent majority, must join together to contest and stop these nation wreckers and saboteurs. Religious leaders, elders, the media, the youth must rise, unite for national harmony. The church, the mosque, have a mandate to build the kingdom of God on earth, contributing to the moral growth of society, instilling the virtues of humanity, respect for life, integrity, justice, equality and harmony. All religious institutions must work in shaping, transforming and building national harmony. Parents, as our first teachers that taught us to love by loving, served, cared for us by caring, have the responsibility of building, shaping, molding the youth, tomorrow's leaders. The world of tomorrow are born from the schools of today. It is the schools that prepare the youth with the knowledge, character, and skills for societal role as adults. Teachers, as the agent of change, promoters of understanding and tolerance, the true builders of nation, have enormous responsibilities in nurturing, shaping, molding the character of the new generation. The youths, as the torchbearer, the architect of the future, the building blocks of a nation, should be engaged in healthy and progressive politics for the advancement of national harmony, but must resist divisive politics and all forms of manipulation by individuals or groups. The spirit of true patriotism must be in the heart of every youth. The media has a distinctive role in enlightening and educating the citizens, bringing communal harmony, preserve the secular fabric of a nation, promote, be a partner in national development. Most of all, the media can be an educator, a watchdog, exposing corrupt practices, hidden deals, but must be mindful of their responsibilities in providing unbiased, neutral, transparent and reliable information for benefit of society, promote national harmony, and strengthen governance. The elderly, the custodians of culture and tradition, mediators, peacekeepers of the community. We all have significant role in nation building. We should seek to solve the challenges by drawing from history, culture, experience, as well as support from each other. We must be vigilant, be wary of politicians who vie for leadership positions. Watch out for the corrupt, the dishonest, the unethical. Instead, seek for true and strong visionaries with integrity. We must condemn individuals or organized groups who instigate the displacement of citizens, causing havoc in their community. We must foster unity, creating social enclave, where we all live harmoniously with our diversity as one.